Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Fresha gift card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the Fresha clients and Fresha business applications. After that, you just need to go and log into Fresha. Of course, if you don't have an account, if you don't have one, you can of course go and register to Fresha. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here firstly. As you can see here in this application, we have the home, search, we have the appointment, and we have your profile in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the gift card for clients first. So open the Fresh application and browse for the appointment or service you want to go and book. For instance, let's click on here, this one. And then you need to go and click on, of course, the book now. Click book appointment. And here when you find what you actually want to go and use, then in the payment section you just need to go and put the of course gift card that you have, confirm, and then click pay now. But now for the of course business, which is here, you need to go and open the choose the relevant appointment, of course, again. So go to your workspace in the bottom right corner, then go to catalog where you can see your service menu, and then here you can go and click on the edit policy, so you can go and edit for every appointment and everything. And then you can go and click on collect in store, then choose the available gift card as a payment method, click apply, and save and pay. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.